Welcome to Wollert, a thriving, family-friendly community where convenience, connection and a sense of well-being come together to create an exceptional lifestyle. With established schools, scenic walking tracks and the bustling Aurora town centre right on your doorstep, everything you need to live well is already here. At Aurora Estate, Carlisle Homes Display Village features 6 outstanding designs crafted for every stage of life. From our Affinity collection, the Canterbury Grand Deluxe 46 and Rothwell 33 deliver luxurious living with spacious layouts and premium inclusions. Our Inspire collection homes, the Illawarra Grand 42 and Crompton 29, offer stylish and functional designs that perfectly suit growing families and downsizers, while our Easy Living series offer fast and affordable designs that make it easier for first home buyers to move into their new home in as little as 20 weeks. Aurora is not just a place to live, it's a 6 Green Star community committed to sustainability. With solar power, recycled water systems and fibre optic network connections, Aurora ensures you can enjoy a modern, eco-friendly lifestyle while preserving the natural beauty of the area. This is a community where staying active is effortless. Whether you're walking the kids to school, cycling along Edgar's Creek, or exploring Treetops Park and Adventure Park, there's something for everyone. Playing sports on the local fields, enjoy a hit of tennis, or cool off at nearby aquatic centres and water parks. Or, if you prefer, simply unwind and recharge in the serene natural surroundings. Education is at the heart of Aurora's appeal. Schools like Edgar's Creek Primary School are dedicated to nurturing students academically, socially and emotionally, helping them reach their full potential. For older students, Edgar's Creek Secondary College offers a supportive environment where passion for learning thrives. With more schools planned, Aurora is a place where young minds can grow and excel. Aurora Estate in Wollert is a place where families can grow, friendships can flourish, and dreams can become reality. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to build their future in Melbourne's northern suburbs. Carlisle Homes build all across the Wollert area, including at Aurora, Rothdown, The Patch, Ellery, Mason Quarter, and more. Plus, with Carlisle Homes, you can secure a stunning 3-bedroom house and land package for under $600,000. See the difference for yourself. Visit Aurora Estate today and experience Carlisle Homes' award-winning designs and inclusions. Your dream home and a vibrant, sustainable community awaiting.